How to buy flork cto token. This token came under the symbol of flork, as you can see here. Now before we start, this is not financial advice. I'm not professional or economic expert. So before investing in any project that you find on my channel, please do your own research. Now as you can see, this token, before going and buy it, just go and check the Rex account and keep following the updates about this token and engage with the community. So check their Telegram channel too, they include it on their X account. Now after that, go and open it on CoinMarketCap. So as you can see, you will find a lot of information about this token. Just click on markets, and as you can see, it's available on Radium, in Meteora, Orca, as you can see. So for example, Radium, click on pair here. After that, click on trade on Radium. You will be relaxed to Radium page to be able to buy this token. So as you can see from here, I will just cancel this, sorry guys. So wait a few seconds to be able to connect your wallet on the Radium page. I will just reload this page, and after that I will just click on cancel this too, and after that connect your wallet. Select your wallet from here. For example, if you want like Trust Wallets. Now here just I will log into my accounts. Now after that, log into your account. This password's wrong. I will just re-enter it. And as you can see, click on connect. And after you connect your wallet to Radium, select the token that you want to buy with and search here on Flork like that. As you can see, if you don't find it, just go back to CoinMarketCap, go back again to be able to copy the token address. As you can see, copy the token address, go back to Radium, select sold here, and now paste the token address here, as you can see. So this is it. Just click on add button, and now go back here, and after that, select here another time, and paste the token address. As you can see, so this is it. Just click on it. After that, this is it. Now here, type how much you want to buy with Sol. And after that, as you can see, you need at least 0.01 Sol to pay for fees and deposits. Make sure you have enough Solana on your Trust wallet. If you don't, just go back to your Trust wallet to fill your wallet with Solana to be able to buy this token. So after that, go back to Radium and click on buy here to be able to buy this token. So this is how to buy flork cto token. If you find this very helpful, please like and subscribe. See you in the next video.